How to manage who can follow you on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can follow you on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here on the top corner, and then just go down until you find settings and privacy, and here you find this one, settings. Click on it and then click on followers and public content, and now all you need to do is just manage anything you want, public or friends, on this category who can follow me. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.